So pretty. Alright guys, this is the makeup tutorial for today. This is my sister Ohsana. Oh, you look so good, Ohsana. Sorry, the 28. Jesus. Done them. Jesus Christ. Why I go so hard? I go hard.
See glow guy?
So, yeah. So this is the look today. It is a night look. She's actually going out, and I decided to just record this. I hope this is in focus. So this is the look for today. Hope you guys enjoy. You guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look at my brush. Alright, I started by filling in Ohsana's brows, and I actually arched them before I started this video. I'm so sorry that this section is out of frame. I don't have anyone behind the camera ensuring that it's in focus for me, but I'm sure it's out of focus, not out of frame, out of focus. So I'm taking this black eyeliner pencil and I'm putting it where her skin is exposed so that it appears as if it's just her natural brow. Then I'm taking Toast from Black Opal, and I'm using this to structure her brows, to define her brows, so they look as if she just got them groomed. Alright, so next I'm taking L'Oreal's Silk Semi Black Liner, and I'm using this as a base, and I'm going to put a black eyeshadow over this. Now the reason I went in with this is because it's a night look, and you can just go all out for a night look, boo, like glitter, bold lashes, whatever, because it's a night look, you know what I mean? So we wanted to go all out. She's actually going on a date, so I wanted to do this for her, a very bold smoky eye. And I'm blending out the edges with my fingers. Now the good thing about this pencil is that it is so creamy. It reminds me of a gel lineup, and it dries matte and it dries quickly, so work really fast if you're using this, and it's very good for the waterline as well. So next I'm going in with my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm using this brown, and then I quickly changed my mind from the brown because I was thinking brown smoky, and I was like, nah, let's do black. But then I had to went ahead and do the other eye just so that it will be even, but I quickly changed my mind from using it. Then I went in with Obsidian from the Kylie palette, and if I remember that I had my Jeffree Star palette, I'd have used the Jeffree Star palette, because look at how ashy this black looks. You see how ashy it looks? I was talking about with, I don't know, it's just not the black. I did the review couple videos ago, but it's just not the blackest black. So I'm going back in with my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I am blending out at the edges, so right where the black ends, where the black eyeshadow ends, and under her brow bone, I'm blending out there. And I'm using that color because I wanted to use warm browns to lay like a base, because I wanted to kind of bring some light to that of the eyes, like with a pink or a purple or something like that. So now I'm taking this color here, and I'm using it as her brow bone, and I'm patting on and pulling down, and I'm pulling down because I want the brow bone color to mesh with the color that I just laid before the brow bone color. So now I'm going in with this nice kind of cool burgundy-ish color from the same Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm going on the ends, just kind of retracing my step. Grabbing my Jeffree Star palette, should have done this a long time ago. I'm going to be taking Black Rainbow, that black color, and it has glitter flecks in it, and it's not picking up on camera, but I use this black only because it has glitter flecks in it. You can see a little bit there, and I love how that would play, you know, in the lighting that should be in for her date, and her eyes just have that sparkle but still be a black smoky eye. I love this look so much. So remember what I was saying earlier, that I wanted to bring some light to that area, so I'm going at the ends with this pink, and I did a similar look on a client that I had. Absolutely gorgeous. Do not sleep with black and purple or black and pink. It blends out so beautifully, and even black and like a brick red, those colors blend out so beautifully. Now I'm taking that color, I believe that color is Courtney, can't quite remember, and I'm putting it on her brow bone as well, and I'm pulling it down. Now the reason why I used Courtney is because it's like a light brown, and I wanted to bring that brownness into the mix. So I'm grabbing this gold color from the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm putting it right in that area to bring some light to that area, because everything just looks so dark to me. I wanted to add a hint of gold, but then I wanted the gold to be not on her happy area but elsewhere, to kind of give the eye a little bit of dimension and bring some little glitz and glam to the look. Now everything that I'm doing is I'm just winging it. I didn't have anything planned at all. I just winged this entire look, and I love how it came out. So now I'm taking Black Opal's Carob and I'm using this all over her face. This will be her foundation. Yes, this is about a shade or a half a shade darker than her, but I loved how all the colors worked with that I used. So like the foundation worked well with the highlight, worked well with the powder, like everything just meshed and worked really well together. So this is going all over her face, and don't forget to go under the chin, because other times you forget to go under the chin. Alright, so for her concealer, I'm using Toast from Black Opal. You guys know how I feel about Toast. I believe it looks so gorgeous on women of color. It's kind of yellowy, but not really. It's just gorgeous. So I'll be highlighting under her eyes, because she tends to have dark circles under her eyes naturally. So even with the foundation, I didn't cover it completely, and I did that deliberately because I could have covered it completely, but I didn't want to put too much product under the eye to heavy it down. So I'm highlighting the bridge of her nose, her forehead, and under her eyes, and that's it. And I'm blending out using the side of the brush there to go down the nose, but I'm blending out using the same brush I used to do her foundation. Why? Because there's already product in it, and it will just blend easier instead of getting another brush, a cleaner brush that will not blend as easy, meaning there's product on the brush already, so it's kind of mixing with the darker color, so it's blending and fusing better with her skin. Alright, so now we're taking what's that again, banana powder, and we're using it to set her highlighted area. So everywhere that I place Toast, that's what I'm using the Ben Nye to do. I'm using it to set everywhere else. Then I'm going in with Mary Kay's Bronze 5. And the Bronze 5 is actually what I'm using now on her from Mary Kay. And I'm also using it to do her low light down her nose. So I'm not using a darker color to go down her nose. I'm just using her face powder, regular face powder, to set everywhere else to go down her nose. Don't forget under the chin again, you guys. So I'm just using it to set everywhere else. The Bronze 5, the Mary Kay Bronze 5 is setting everywhere else. Everywhere that the Ben Nye banana powder did not go. Yeah.
The school.
Hey, looks funny here, then just go down. Look up. Don't matter blink. Just look up and why you shake?
How many I want to feel?
Yeah, shake, Ohsana. Look up. You need to stop shake. Man, no, why you shake so hard?
I speak and I show love. The Bible says the hearts of men are desperately wicked. Matthew 5 verse 44. But I say unto you, love your enemies. Bless them that curse you. Do good to those that hate you. Music's chosen. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica. From you come across the Prince of Peace. When them criticize are the least, me not come on this for earthly rewards. My blessing coming from a higher place, but the hurt is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. So me a pray for my brother and my sister, them wicked heart get clear of. Clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica. Remember God is love, yeah, God is love. So why we can't share back with Daddy's love to one another, yeah, one another. Make a pray and help your brother climb the ladder. Every day, we driven by the Almighty. Even though the devil him still a fight me, me no care who the guy be. And a prayer warrior God beside me. Yeah, me heart clean. Yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean. Yeah, like the jelly water. Yeah, jelly water. Sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica. Keep me safe, oh God. You are my refuge, cause troubles will multiply. For those
Alright guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Today, I completely enjoyed myself filming with my sister. She looks so gorgeous. You look gorgeous, Ohsana. I'm not like chill. Alright guys, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe somewhere down here, and turn on your post notifications so that you guys can know when to get a video from me. Bye guys. And after them, bye bye.
Oh, bye.
Tragedy is taking